Hi everyone, this package is a very special package. In this package, I have the American Express Black Card, also known as American Express Centurion Card. It is very exclusive, it is invite only, but in recent months, they are allowing people to express interest. So you can go to their website and you can say, I'm interested in this card, and you might get an invitation. I received the invitation, I accepted it, I was approved for the credit card, and overnight they sent me this. So that was really fast. I also received multiple emails from them when the credit card was shipped, where it was, and when it was delivered. So within 24 hours, I received this credit card in this box, and I haven't opened it. So let's open this right now. All right. Here it is. This is the box it comes inside. It is similar to how the Platinum credit card box looks like. Platinum credit card box looks a little bit gray. This is black. I just put a tape on it so you can't see my home address and all the other information. So let's open it. I'm being a little bit more careful because if you saw my other video, I ripped this really fast and it was a really bad way to open it. So here it is. So you have your box here. I think that's where the credit card is. It seemed that it was interesting texture here, but it really is not. It's just plasticky. And then similar to the Platinum card, there is documentation here, which I really don't think we need to discuss. So it's not really important. And there's nothing else here. It's just the small box that came in, and that's it. I'm really disappointed. Again, I thought they might have included better packaging than Platinum card, considering how exclusive and how hard it is to get this credit card. But they didn't really care. So here it is. This is the box where the credit card is, so we don't even need this box anymore. I'm not really happy with how they don't use the wood that they used to have for Platinum cards. So basically, this is the main box where the credit card is. So let's open it. So they're saying confirm by calling this phone number. And here it is. American Express Black Card. It is made in Italy by Tom Ford. Let's see what else is inside. Welcome to Centurion membership. Explore your benefits at centurion.com. Okay. Looks like it's a wallet where you can put some other credit cards as well. Let's see what else is there. This is just for the leather wallet from Tom Ford, so not really important. That's not really important anymore. And this is a leather wallet that comes inside. So I have put tape on it now. There's a little bit of texture here, but it's really hard to see the border all around the card. It is not that heavy. I think my platinum card is heavier than this card. It's not very different than platinum card, how everything is written on it. So there's a customer service number here, there's international service number here. Same way there's card numbers right here and the expiration date. And that's it. For comparison, this is American Express Platinum card. This is the business card version. I can tell that this Platinum way more than this card, but very small difference. Obviously, might not have an opportunity to hold this card, and I'm trying to describe the best I can. It does not feel any different to me. Let me drop it and see how it sounds. Let's see how the Platinum sounds. Much louder. So here you have it, guys. This is the main box. The leather wallet that holds the card and the card. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. I will be spending money on this card. I'll be making videos about how I got this card, all the steps that I took to get this invitation. I'll talk about the process where they invited me to apply for this, and what I will share all the information related to what question they asked me, what type of things I have done on my Platinum card, on my Marriott Bonvoy card, on my Hilton card. I only have 3 American Express cards. So for me to get 3 American Express card and be invited for this, I think many of you might be able to get this card. I think it is very exclusive, but a lot of people who are making videos on about this card, they are sharing some false information, making it seem like it is impossible to get. I don't think it's impossible to get. I will go over everything that I did to get it. I'll talk about how you can get it. So please subscribe to my channel and wait for me to make some more videos regarding this. Thank you.